Thank you all for tuning in. I'm Bella.
And I'm Katie.
And this is MYLA News at 6 p.m.
We have important news for you today, but let's start off with an uplifting segment from our Mayor's Youth Leaders in Action Unity team.
Oh, that's us! This week, Katie and I were able to experience life behind the camera as opposed to life in front of the camera, as we interviewed children on today's Unity-themed topic of community service.
That's right. I would like to add that I thoroughly enjoyed life behind the camera. As Bella said, she and I had the wonderful opportunity to join our Unity team and interview the kids of Virginia Beach about community service. The dictionary definition of community service, as said by Merriam-Webster, is work that is done without pay to help the people of a community.
During our interviews, Katie and I asked the children what was their definition of community service. Let's see what they have to say.
People taking time out of their day to help others in need or just community.
Anything you do to help others in the community, like cleaning up a park or donating something that for someone else to use.
Helping the community in different ways. You can help one person, you can help a committee, you can help an organization, and to help build a stronger place, a stronger community.
Overall, positively impacting the community in multiple ways and doing it without being told to, and doing it without wanting something in return from the community.
Giving back and helping the community be better in ways, like in your own creative ways that can benefit it.
To do helpful stuff in your community.
Going out in the community and doing things like volunteering and different things of that sort.
It was very interesting to see all the different responses from the kids. Now, let's see why they think that everyone should participate in community service.
You're part of the community too, you know? Generally, if you help someone, it does end up helping you. So like, say you clean up the park for other people to use, now you have a place to be at, relax.
Well, if everyone participated just a little bit, there would be a lot less crash, and yes, I don't mind.
To help everyone to make our community better.
I think that it could build you and it makes you feel good to help others.
It is something good to do for your community. You feel good about it, you help your community. You don't make your community a worse place to live in. You want to make it a good place to live in, and you should really put your commitment into it.
Here are a few more questions that we asked the kids.
Yeah, I did it before and I liked it.
Yes, I have done community service before and I did like it.
Yeah, it was pretty fun.
Yes, I have done community service before. In many ways, I've helped organizations, I've helped people, like set up for many things such as a new school and different gardens, and then
Recycling and picking up trash.
I did gardening and cleaning up parks and stuff.
Yes, I have.
I've done a car wash before. I would do it again, yes.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I'm planning to do it again.
Yeah, I would.
Yes.
Yes, I would do it again.
Yes.
I would definitely always do it again until I maybe pass away.
I enjoyed interviewing the kids. They were so fun. All in all, MYLA wants everyone to know that community service does not have to be a laboring task with hours of preparation and time. It could be something as simple as working at a food bank or walking a neighbor's dog.
Right. Community service is anything that you do to help your community or the people in it. Anybody can get involved, and in many ways. Virginia Beach has plenty of organizations that serve the community. And in no way does community service have to be boring. The organizations and events in Virginia Beach come from a wide variety of areas and cater to a lot of different interests. For example, if you are interested in serving the environment, consider volunteering or working with the Lynn Haven River Now or Chesapeake Bay Foundations. Both of these organizations are dedicated to protecting our waterways.
If you're interested in helping animals, consider working with the Virginia Beach SPCA, who is dedicated to eliminating animal cruelty suffering while increasing human compassion. If you are younger and would like to volunteer around Virginia Beach, consider joining our very own Mayor's Youth Leaders in Action program. who aim to be a positive force in the community through education, representation, leadership, and service. These are just a few of the many community service opportunities in the city of Virginia Beach.
And that's all for our segment from the Unity team. Let's go to Amaya for the weather.